Yes, finally at home. Finally. Now I don't think I could be attacked by anything. This village is perfect. Look at these big-nosed people. The townsfolk. You got the farmer. They got the protector of the village. You. I think they're just... What do you trade? Carrot for emeralds. Not enough carrot. Oh. What do you want? Oh, I forgot. Pigs love carrots. There's no like this carrot. Chop the pig in half so I can slaughter it. Haha, now it's time to slaughter you. Time to turn on the TV. Welcome back to Minecraft City News, reporting to live from downtown Beachside City. It's a beautiful day today. Good day to talk about politics. So, the president of Minecraft, like the country of Minecraft, decided to leave office today because his vice president is, quote, better than him. So he's leaving office, and yeah, it's sad. And also, it hasn't even been 4 years yet. He just got into office and he decided to quit. That sucks. Anyways, so we interrupt your regularly scheduled programming at the request of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the earth to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is MB3C52, Minecraft. We will continue providing news and information for this area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minecraft government, Minecraft City Police Department, Minecraft City SWAT Team, Minecraft Department of Defense, the Minecraft Military, and the Minecraft Department of Homeland Security, and the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility at approximately 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A containment breach was reported at the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility. One of their special anomalies, injected with the Uncoha, Immortality, and virus syringes, was detected roaming the streets of Minecraft City, causing havoc. All residents living within a 1 million mile radius of Minecraft City or in Minecraft City are required to evacuate. A mandatory evacuation order has been put in place for all of the areas within a million miles or in the area. this creature known as that we're calling Subject 2334457. Now, Subject 2334457 is immortal, meaning he cannot be killed using conventional weapons or any of the sorts. This creature will go around infecting civilians and giving. And if you are near this creature, you will feel uneasy, nauseous, and sore. If you feel any of these symptoms, run away. Do not go near this creature. Do not go to the cause of the creature. This creature can mimic human voices, meaning that you should lock your doors and windows at all times and ignore anyone outside. If anyone goes outside, just believe they're dead, because they are. This creature has excellent hearing and excellent sight, and they could go up to speeds of 75 to 80 miles an hour, meaning there's no point in running. You are advised to stay silent at night. Silence at night is key to your survival. At night, this creature goes outside of dormancy and starts attacking. The infected there are 5 stages to be infected. Stage 1, flu-like symptoms. Stage 1 of this virus, the virus starts to infect, meaning that you will feel some flu-like symptoms, such as a headache or fever. Stage 2, blisters. Your skin will start to develop blisters as the virus spreads through your body. The virus will start screwing up your blood flow and blood clotting, causing significant issues with your organs and stuff. The flu-like symptoms will worsen. Stage 3, reddening of the skin and bleeding of the eyes. You will start bleeding out of the eyes and your skin will start to redden. The flu-like symptoms will get worse. Stage 4, inability to control, mass aggression, and most times, and in most cases, death. Most people don't go past stage 4, but if you do, then stage 4 increases the severity of the flu-like symptoms and adds paranoia and insomnia to that list. The blisters will also start to increase and get more painful. Stage 5. Complete loss of control, insanity, heightened aggression. The flu-like symptoms will worsen. These stage 5 infected should be considered dead, as the human has no further control of the body and it will cause the human to grow really tall, spiky skin, and rough, spiky skin, red eyes, and they will begin to turn into an infected. After this, believe they are dead. This virus spreads through air, water, food, drinks, human-to-human contact, and intimate activity, all of which can spread this virus. This virus is a strain of CPD-2041. There's a loaded crossbow with fireworks. At this time, police and SWAT are currently struggling to contain the virus. Steel Leaf members have called in every Canadian forces and other forces to help lessen the spread of the virus. All forces, military, and others are going to evacuate as this virus spreads to other dimensions. It has already infected almost 99.9% of all dimensions, universes, galaxies, multiverses, and other things. So this virus is very dangerous. The last multiverse we would want it to infect is the Minecraft multiverse. This multiverse houses billions and trillions of people, more people than any other multiverse or dimension could ever. Everything Canadians have already arrived here to help defend and fend off the infected. There is already infected in the Minecraft dimension. It is too late to evacuate. Repeating, it is too late to evacuate. Almost 100% of all civilians and things have been evacuated, so it is too late. If you have not evacuated, then good luck. Stay safe. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for your area, so if you are not in this area, tune to stations. Few stations will remain on the air, as it is too dangerous to still do so. You are on your own. If you can find a faction to join, then good luck. Being with more than one person is better than being by yourself, so good luck. Good luck out there, folks. This is the last activation of the emergency alert system. Our national anthem will play it until communications go off the air. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. There's nothing we can do. The infected have spread, and it has become too dangerous. More information will be brought to you as soon as it becomes available. Stay tuned for further information. Oh, crap. Oh, boy. This is gonna suck. Alright. Healing arrows. Arrow of healing. Shield. It's time to enchant our diamond armor, sword, and crossbow.
Your game mode has been updated to survival. Set own game mode to survival. You have been given Iron Pickaxe 1. Gave Iron Pickaxe 1 to Nuke 4577T. Been updated to survival. Set own game mode to survival.
It's time to rob this village because I have nothing. These must be the infected humans that the alert was talking about. Ugh, this sucks. I'm gonna go back to my house now. It's a bit late. You are listening to Survival Radio, KBVC, MBVC 5235, Minecraft. Current alerts, emergency action notification, evacuation immediate, immediate, and civil danger warning. It is currently a chill day. Infected 1.25 quadrillion. Survivors 72.25 million. Infection rate 63.25. Days till communication failure. Time 6:15 a.m. Day November 32nd. Incoming alert. following message is transmitted at the request of the Minecraft City Police Department, the Minecraft City SWAT Team, the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility, the Everything Canadian Government, and the Minecraft Department of Defense and Department of Homeland Security. At 6:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Minecraft Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, Military, Police Department, Minecraft City Police Department, and SWAT Team, and the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility reported that the infected have gone down a significant amount. There is now only 162,345 infected. The infected have been cured by the Nkoha antidote, and the quadrillions are back. It is looking up for the community. Everything Canadians are helping with the evacuation procedures to evacuate the cured and kill the infected. Still, you are advised to be on your own as groups will put you in danger. You are on your own still. Help is not guaranteed. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Guess it is looking up for the community. I'm gonna go out and explore, get some wood, do all that stuff. I'm gonna go get some wood. You know what? Don't mind if I do. You're already infected, I'm sorry, I have to kill you. my TV out. You are listening to KBVC57 Minecraft, reporting to you live from downtown Beachside City. It's currently looking up for the community, as always. Most of the infected are cured, some of them are dead, but other than that, most of them are cured. You are free to continue doing your daily activities as communications are back up and everything's also fixed. So don't worry about the damages or anything of the sort. Everything is fine now. Don't worry. The psychological and mental issues will be fixed as everything lands, as Minecraft is almost completely gone and out of people. Most Minecraftians, same with everybody else, we're transported to everything now, and are not coming back. That sucks, but... Ooh, shipwreck! Is that an ocean monument? We're coming up on an ocean monument. I'm just stuck on this boat in the middle of the ocean. Most villagers are infected. I'm the only one left in this vast world full of resources that I could take. I've got a TV. I've got window covers. But I'm just going to continue voting. Let's see what's going on over in Brookhaven. Brookhaven Dental. Do you or your family have teeth that need to be removed or cleaned? Well, we have a solution for you. Come on down to Brookhaven Dental. We'll make you cry, because nothing says good dental work like a good cry. 1-800-CRY-NOW. That's 1-800-CRY-NOW. Not responsible for injuries, death, or pain caused by our way of work. Survivor, Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on BN Network. Rosie's Gym. Dear Brookhaven citizens, are you tired of those pesky rules and gym memberships? Are you tired of employees and other members pissing you off? Well, come on down to Rosie's Gym, where we have the solution for you, and your only partner is the kitty cat. Rosie's Gym. It's perfect. Located at the Brookhaven Plaza, downtown Brookhaven. La Vacation. Hot deal. $311. Cops, where police chases and crime are recorded for the community. Wow! Wow! Brookhaven City Police Department, pull over now! Most Wanted Live, where we report criminals and other things live to you on BN Network. Welcome back to BN Network. I am your reporter Johnson, and today we're going to be looking into the virus that's spreading across the world very fast, known as, it's a strain of CPD-2041 called CPD-2041Z. The most deadly strain of CPD-2041 yet. Very dangerous, very deadly. So, yeah. And we interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details and information will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This is BN Network. We will continue providing news and information for your local area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Bop! Hee! Boop! The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County Police Department, Madison County Sheriff's Office, Madison County Government, and Madison County SWAT Team. At approximately 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Madison County government have reported numerous sightings of CPD-2041Z, the deadliest strain of CPD-2041, infecting countless lives over in Madison County. Other counties infected include, but are not limited to, Brick City, Brickersville, Brickville, Minecraft City, Minecraftville, Noob, Gorebox, Gore City, Gorebox City, Goretown, Goreville, and Goreboxville counties. These counties are susceptible to CPD-2041Z spread. Everything Canadians, in conjunction with other forces and military forces, have been coming to help with evacuation procedures. At this time, all residents are required to evacuate. Repeating, at this time, all residents are required to evacuate. This is a global emergency and should be taken seriously. When evacuating, bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlights, charged devices, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, pets, family members, ID, money, driver's licenses, and other important items. Important and non-important items should be brought with you. Don't leave anything behind, because once you leave, you cannot come back. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Not Brookhaven, are you kidding me? Welcome back to BN Network. My name is Johnson, and today we're going to be reviewing the CPD-2041Z strain of virus. This virus is dangerous, especially at night. Silence is key at night. This creature comes out of dormancy and attacks. So do the infected. This virus is very dangerous and can infect thousands, if not millions. Oh no, I hear banging on the door. That's not good. Everyone, close and lock all windows and doors. Oh jeez. Grab your shotguns. Silence them. Grab your weapons. I'm the infected. We're coming for you, Brookhaven citizens. Get ready to perish. Pew! Okay. What am I supposed to do? Redcliffe City should be fine, right? Whew, buddy. Just... The city is nice. Well, I mean, I should know that considering I've been here before as my evacuation center. And if this place gets attacked by CPD-2041Z, then I guess I'm gonna have to fight it because I don't know what else I would have to do then. Whoa, okay. This place is actually quite nice. I'm gonna close my windows and lock my door just in case, though. And then... I think I might get myself... I think I might... If something goes wrong... I have a rifle. I have this. This bad boy. Alright, let's go watch some TV. It could happen to you. Insure blocks. Hurricane insurance. Nukes for kids. Buy now before your parents find out. Quality homes. Roblox realtors. Sold. There has never been a better time to buy. Welcome back to Red Cliff Network, reporting to you live from downtown Red Cliff City at the Red Cliff Bank. There's a bank robbery going on. Victims and stuff. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. This is an emergency action notification message requested by the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most, if not all, stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is RBVC 33 Red Cliff. We will continue broadcasting news and information for your area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility, the Robloxian government, the Everythingnadian government, and the Minecraft City government. At approximately at 2:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, the virus, a strain of CPD-2041, the deadliest strain of CPD-2041, which is CPD-2041Z, has been contained successfully. It has successfully been contained at the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility. All infected were cured, and most, if not everybody's been evacuated. To prevent further strains like this from escaping, the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility has implemented a new protocol called the Virus Protocol. Basically, they were known for containing anomalies and other things like the SCP Foundation. The Steel Leaf Private Research Facility and SCP Foundation are both containment centers, have their own containment facilities and experimentation centers across everything land and other countries to conduct research on anomalies and contain them. Same with viruses. Like CPD-2041 and all of its strains were contained, just like CPD-2041Z. To prevent further strains from breaking out, the two have both implemented a virus protocol called the Virus Protocol. Basically, what they'll do is they'll create special chambers specifically designed for these viruses so they can conduct research, find other ways to cure them and exterminate them, and overall exterminate them. Also, reports have come in from the government that new, quote, tribes have been reported. These tribes include, but are not limited to, Chinchi, Imperius, Barter, Symanti, and, finally, Illyrion. It is reported that these tribes are from the Battle of Polytopia, whatever that game is. And people say that these tribes want to ally with the Everything Canadians, as they also have an infinite number of horses and whatnot. Other tribes have been reported as well, such as Umanji, Zabasi, Quetzali, Kiku, and Hoodrick, as well as Yadayak. These tribes also want to ally. Same with Aquarion and a few others. All of these tribes have skins. Their skin variants also want to ally with us. So we will accept them, as they asked us nicely. If you see any any tribe forces, you can walk up to them and talk to them and get to know them better. More information about these tribes and what they are will become available, and we will pump that information out. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Well, that was a good ending, I would say. It's time to go outside. This is amazing. I never thought that... Well, guess I'll see you guys next time.